evening.
Hello, brother
How are you?
Akim. Sorry, the
Yeah,
network
of course.
has almost made it impossible for you to come here.
Yeah.
But I'm glad after
Thank you,
all you
Fanan. I'm
made
okay.
it. How are
Nice
you?
to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, my brother. It has
I
been
think
so many
eight
years
years,
since
7
the
years.
Nairobi days. Yeah, but I would. It has been, I think, 8 years or 9 years since you left Nairobi. Well, the most important thing is that you are here right now. We will do the catch up later on WhatsApp. We can go and communicate about how we miss ourselves and other things. But first and foremost, I would want you to introduce yourself to the viewers. We have about 83 people now watching us. Please introduce yourself, your name, where you're from, and then your state. And from there, we can tap into the situation.
Welcoming me into the live video. My name is Engineer Akim Gatkek. I'm from Upper Nile State, Nasser County, Wanding Payam.
Thank you. Amazing. Wonderful.
Exactly.
So you're from the same county with me. I'm from Nasser as well, Upper Nile State. Well, I would like to know what actually transpired between you and the police officers, the armed men that were stationed at the embassy of Sudan. You were not alone. I have watched the video. You were very many. I believe it's a combination of so many other tribes members, or a combination of so many young South Sudanese citizens who went to protest. But can you help us understand what actually happened before you slapped the security advisor for the ambassador? What actually happened? What took you guys there first?
What took us there was the hunger that was caused by the video we saw online. When our people were slaughtered by the Sudanese regime, the Sudan Armed Force, then we all got annoyed. Everyone decided to go for a strike. We go for a protest. Then we found that the embassy was blocked by all the security sectors, the MI, the military, and everybody was there. So we did not manage to enter there. And then we tried our best to convince the police that we are doing some peaceful protest. Then please allow us to go there. That what allowed us to have opportunity in that embassy. We were allowed. Of course, we did not organize. We just met there because of our anger. That was took us there, and that.
Yeah, I could actually see that many of you were not actually offending anybody. You were actually there seeking a statement from the ambassador. If I understood your presence at the embassy. But it only took a short turn before you slap a police, before you slap the security advisor to the ambassador. So what actually transpired between you and the security advisor to the ambassador of the Sudanese?
Actually, we had a lot of speech before I slapped the ambassador, the security advisor. We had about 5 of us spoke. Even some 2 Sudanese who joined us in the protest. They were not actually happy about the killing that happened in Medini, Al Jazeera state. What happened between me and the security advisor was not something personal. It was the reaction I saw from him when he came out from the compound. He told the police that he doesn't want somebody around the embassy. This is a Sudan territory. Nobody is allowed in the presence of that area. Then later on, he told the police that you are not qualified. You are untrained soldiers. You guys, you still have a small country, and this country is not yet qualified to be called a country. That's what triggered me to go and slap him. And before I slap him, the security advisor.
The security advisor.
Yes.
Told the South Sudanese
that you are not
officer
qualified. Yes, he was
that
not
he was
qualified
not
for
qualified.
allowing us to be in the embassy at the embassy gate. He was saying
A Sudanese
the police
security advisor told a South
yes,
Sudanese
he told
officer
them
that he was not qualified.
Yeah, he told them in Arabic. He
In
said,
our own country.
police magafal, ita police magafal ma madaraf. Dawla batakum sagir or to lissa in Arabic like that. That's how he mentioned those words.
How did the police
reacted
react to that
they
statement?
were convinced not to do anything negatively. They reacted mostly later after I slapped him. Then the police tried to pull out the gun, and they protect him not to do it.
To use
No,
pull up their
you
gun
want
to use it
on
you or to use it on the foreign security advisor.
So the guy was so disrespectful. That's what happened to us between me and him.
So he called our South Sudanese
was not qualified to
that
allow
he was not
there.
qualified.
Why did he allow people to come and take pictures and to protest in front of Sudan territory? He was mentioning the word Da'arat Sudania. Saying that Da'arat Sudania, you are not allowed to be here.
And told our
very small, and
that our country is very small.
It's not yet reached the level of a country. That's not yet reached. That's what he told. No, I
so how did you react
silently. I went behind him and then I slapped him. I react. The ambassador was inside. He opened the gate like this, and then he went back inside.
But when you slapped his security advisor,
the
was he
ambassador was
around
inside
or he
the
was
compound.
absent?
He was in the office. Yeah,
at the time you slapped his security
he was
advisor,
inside
he was inside the compound.
He opened the gate
outside?
And then he closed it again.
So after you slapped the security advisor of the ambassador, what
he
happened?
remained there.
Did you run inside or you remained
more?
There?
After we were taken away by security organ, they took us to the CID office in the police headquarters. We were temporarily. Yeah, we were temporarily.
What did they tell you was your offense?
They told us you violated the law. You cannot go on.
For what?
For
what reason? For what reason
violating
were you
the law
detained?
that you don't have
on what grounds?
The legal right to protest. You did not get the protest approval. So you did it wrongly. That's what caused our detention, temporary detention.
Someone told you need a legal protest document for you to go on the road when South Sudanese are killed.
Yeah, then we told them
that
we lose control, we cannot manage. The officer was the one in charge in the office there, operation office. Police operation.
Did you ask him? Did you ask him if there was a permit
no, we didn't.
for the murder of South
Sudanese
in Khartoum or in Madani? So if there was no permit to murder our people,
that was exactly.
Why would you need a permit to protest?
We protest, regardless of the permission. We protest by force. In fact, we were 6.
How many of you were detained?
Yeah.
6 of you were detained. And you
we
were all released at once, or
by
some of you were
IGP
still detained?
later. The IGP came and released us. The police inspector general.
So, okay. What statement would you want to give to our people now, the South Sudanese, after you were detained, after you went and protest, and then you heard what you heard from the security advisor of the ambassador, and then you slapped the security advisor, and you were still arrested, and then later on released.
What I can tell
us now?
What I can tell
this whole situation, and what do you think?
What I can tell
of
Sudan is until now the killing has been planned very long time ago, and it's still going on until now, despite the fact that they are trying to blindfold our government. The Sudan government has decided to continue killing us by saying that South Sudan is 90% is 65% rapid force. That means the killing was something organized. It was organized by them, and then it's up to South Sudanese now to decide whether to go to war with Sudan or to leave Sudan like that. But what I can tell South Sudan is not to target those around with us in Juba town. We can deal with the government. We can deal only with the government in Sudan. These people who are here, they are innocent. They run away from the same government who is now killing the South Sudanese. That's what I can tell the youth. The only way we can deal with Sudan, we can deal with Sudan in a different ways. We can either decide to support the same thing they are saying, support the rapid force fully, or officially support the rapid force and remove the same government in the system. That's the position of me as a youth.
What is our government doing? Or what is the current situation of the
Sudanese? The government is trying to
Juba?
cool down the situation. Most of the Sudanese refugees are now in a military compound, military barracks, police barracks for protection, because it is hard for them. The civilians are they have lost control, and the government cannot be able to protect them when they are in the areas or when they are in residential areas. The only way the government can protect them now, they are in all military compounds. So,
but the Sudanese before this incident, they were living
anywhere.
Across, like anywhere.
They live
Juba,
like
right?
South
They were
Sudanese.
just in every area. So how did the government collect all of them in a very short time? How did the government get all of them?
Yeah, they run. They all run to the
nearest.
Whenever they see any police military truck, they run. They run into that areas. And that's how they got it. Because there was a real action.
So our government is actually protecting them. What is our government doing now after taking all of them?
So the government is trying to calm down the situation. The government is trying to tell the citizens to calm down so that they can allow these people to go back to their places normally as they used to be, as they usually used to be. Because they say the investigation will take place, and sometimes we don't understand what the government wanted. The position of the government is not very clear. The only thing that is clear that citizens are very annoyed. Actually, they're very annoyed, but you can do it without looting. We can do our revenge in a different direction. We can either join the youth can join the rapid force to go and revenge their own way of how they can revenge without the president of government. But now the government, we don't understand what the government want or what the government want to tell us. Yeah,
Is this situation of rapid force? Is it accepted by
most of them they don't accept.
Youth in Juba? Or
no, they just call them all the
frustration.
They don't even they neither don't support any part. But through frustration, because if you push somebody always in a direction, like maybe you tell them, you guys, you're a thief. One day that guy can steal. That one, when they are pushing us to that level, telling us, you guys, you are with rapid force, you are with us with force. So people can say, okay, let what happen, as if they are the way they wanted it. But nobody like neither side of them, because they are all committing the same crime. Yeah.
It is a sad situation. I have seen the videos. And I've been struggling on what to do, what to say, because it's not a situation where we can just come out and just speak. It need a different approach, because even our president has put out a statement, and in his statement he said alleged. You know, when you say alleged,
that means
it's just
not correct.
something said without truth or without carrying any facts. So I do not know why he had to put a statement out like that, but he's our president after all. I really appreciate you for your time. For other people who want to join us, this is Akim Gatkek, who was at the front line. He went to the embassy to protest together with his colleagues, the South Sudanese, who were as well frustrated and were running out of words to say, or did not know any other way to approach the situation but to go into the Sudanese embassy to seek a statement from the ambassador, who is actually the representative of the Sudanese government within our country. And the situation took a left turn when the security advisor to the ambassador made a wrong statement insulting our country, which actually pisses off Akim Gatkek and would pisses me off as well. I really appreciate you for your heroic act, Akim. What you did was
I fearless.
You know, the rightful things to do, because a foreigner can't just come out and insult our sovereignty. That's not good.
Thank you.
That is not good. You are a hero. I appreciate you. And I believe a million South Sudanese appreciate you as well.
I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
do you feel like saying anything else?
I can say my bigger appreciation to you for hosting me, and also expressing our concern. The countries belong to all of us. We can treat it with care. In a such situation like this, is very, very sensitive, because we cannot just go and kill Sudanese the way they kill our people in Sudan. That is a very delicate and very sensitive situation. We need to be very, very careful. The only way we can revenge is by working very hard to remove the regime in Khartoum, then put a new regime. That will be the only revenge to the people of South Sudan. That's the only revenge you can do. So I appreciate and thank you for hosting me.
Thank you so much, Akim. Thank you. I truly appreciate your heroic act. Thanks a lot for defending our people. Thanks a lot for going out of your way to protest. And thank you for your team. Thank you to the officers who pull out their gun in your defense. That was the best thing they could have done. Really appreciate you for your time. I will be happy to speak to you on WhatsApp as soon as we hang up. Thanks a lot.